oldest iPhone that can run iOS 7 and see how that looks with the latest iOS 7.1 final versus the latest iPhone here. And the best iPhone at the moment, also with iOS 7.1 final. So just confirm here that we are running iOS 7.1. Let's go into about 11D69, that's the name of the update for the iPhone 4, but 1167 or 11D167 is the name of the update for the iPhone 4S, the iPhone 5, probably the iPhone C, and the iPhone 5S. So if we start off here, you can see that the iPhone 4 features a different layout down here at the back or at the bottom. Looks a little bit different. You also do get a different wallpaper once you start this up. You can see a big difference here in the control center, which looks just more white here, and you can see through a little bit here. It has the blur effect that you also can see across the system if you would drag down like this. Way more darker here on the iPhone 4, and of course on the iPhone 5S it's way more fluid experience. But then again, Apple made some amazing improvements here. I mean, remember, this is a single core smartphone. It's from 2010. It's for like a 4-year-old phone, and it can still run the latest iOS. So that's just saying something about Apple, that you can still have like a smooth experience here with one of the earlier iPhones. It's pretty impressive, actually. It's pretty impressive on a single core processor versus this one is still dual core. It's interesting, Apple doesn't even have to have a quad core phone to run as smooth. So imagine when Apple actually do use or do fix a quad core smartphone, how good that is actually going to be. You can also see, of course, here a big difference here in the keyboard area, black here, still bolder text of course on both in this new 7.1 final update, but here it's way more blurred out, of course. Of course there is a difference in wallpapers as well, but most normal apps of course is going to look the same, like the browser and everything. But you can see at first you have perspective zoom on. Here you only can have still pictures because it is so old. Maybe with jailbreak you can do some fun stuff. And also if you want jailbreak, you shouldn't update 7.1 final, but I think most people jailbreak knows about that. Some people always fail, of course. So you can see these cool live wallpapers here that you can get on the 5S, the 4S, and on the iPhone 5, and also on the iPhone 5C. And it's pretty awesome, actually. Of course, also we do have some interesting things here. We do have some changes here in the root of the settings app, which have different names on these two devices. Here you can only see passcode. This is now in the root of the settings app, but of course on the iPhone 5S it says Touch ID and passcode, because this one is like a fingerprint sensor that Apple implemented last year. So that is pretty cool. There also seems to have been an update in this. I haven't seen this if you want to use it only for iPhone Unlock or iTunes App Store as well, that you can customize that. So that is pretty cool. Security feature there that you can play around with. But yeah, I wanted to do this quick little video. Hopefully you did enjoy it a little bit. Yeah, peace out.